What's happening?
What is that move, buddy? You trying to get back, partner?
Oh, Pimo, you're such a fatso boy. Oh, oh, oh no.
Okay, buddy.
He's in respiratory distress. Oh, oh. What the hell?
Oh no, buddy. This is all on film.
You're so embarrassed. You should be, at least. Did he even puke? Just hairball, huh?
You okay now?
He's okay. Thank goodness. Oh, buddy.